Hello all, welcome again to the C classes. I hope you have done the problem which I gave in the last class, which was finding a transpose of a matrix. With the last class we completed the concept of arrays. In today's class we are going to jump into pointers. Pointers are really fun. If you know pointers, if you master pointers, you master C. So pointers are the main concept in any language you see. So pointers are very useful. If you want your program to be more efficient, so you make use of pointers. So pointers have actually many uses. We'll see about pointers very deeply in our upcoming videos and this video. So let's get started with pointers. Pointers are nothing but, as I told, they point to a memory address. So we'll see the definition of pointer. A pointer is a variable whose value is the address of another variable, that is direct access of the memory location. So we define pointer as a variable which points to the address of another variable. So pointer points to the address of other variable. We can have any pointer like integer pointer, character pointer, etc., double pointer, float, etc., to point to the corresponding memory location. So if I declare an integer pointer, it can point only to integer variable. If I declare a character pointer, it can point to a character variable. So that's how pointers work. So it's declared as follows: data type followed by data type. This here is known as an asterisk symbol. If you remember, we might have seen this in operators chapter. So this is an asterisk symbol used to declare a pointer. Then goes your pointer name. So this is how you declare a pointer. Okay. So next we'll go to how to use a pointer. There are three steps to using a pointer. First, we define a pointer variable by using this declaring method. Then we assign the address of the variable to the pointer whose address is going to be pointed by the pointer. Then we need to access the value in the address held by the pointer. So these are the three steps which show how to use a pointer. For an example, let us have an integer variable named a. To point an integer variable, I am going to have an integer pointer star b. Okay, so I am assigning the value of address of a to b. Now b will have the address of a. So if I want to access the value that is contained in b or the value of a, both are similar now. I can do like this. The value is percentage d comma asterisk b. Okay, asterisk b will give me the value that is contained in the address which is stored in b. If I want to know the address is, this is a new format specified to you. This is used to print address. So this line of statement will give me the address of the variable a, or the address which is stored in the pointer b, and this statement will give me the value that is present in the address. So this is how we use pointers. So next we'll go to null pointer. Null pointers are nothing but a pointer which is pointing to nothing. So it's a good practice to make a pointer null when you have not defined it actually. Let's consider the same example. So in this case, I have not defined any value for the pointer. I am using it only in here. So if I take these out, there's no specific memory this pointer is pointing to now because I have not defined any value for this star b. So it's better if I make the value to null. So this pointer will point to null. Null actually in many programming languages means 0. So if you declare this pointer to null, this star b actually will point to memory location 0. The memory location 0 of the memory is not accessible by any users because it's used by the operating system. So if you want to use it afterwards, if I take this line now, so the definition of B will be redefined to address of A. I hope you got it. So that's it for today. We have only seen the basics of pointers. We'll go more deeply in our upcoming lessons. Please to continue watching our videos and please do subscribe for our channel. Um, It will be more helpful to us. Thank you.